How to fix Kenmore washer error code LE. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps and how you can fix the Kenmore washer error code LE. Well, let's understand what the error typically means. The LE error code on a Kenmore washer indicates a motor issue. Often that the washer control thinks the motor is struggling to turn the tub. This can be due to a few reasons, which can be overloading, an object caught in the tub, or a faulty RPS, that is, rotor position sensor. Now here is a breakdown of how to troubleshoot and potentially fix the LE code error. You want to unplug the washer for a few minutes. 10 minutes is recommended to reset the control board and then plug it back in. If this doesn't help, you can also check for overloading and obstructions. Make sure the washer isn't overloaded with laundry. Overloading can strain the motor and trigger the LE error. Inspect the tub for any objects, that is coins, hairs, or debris that might be obstructing its free rotation. Turn the tub by hand to see if it spins smoothly. If it doesn't spin easily, there might be a problem with the motor or the tub bearing. You might also want to inspect the RPS sensor. If the tub spins easily but the LE error persists, the RPS sensor might be faulty. RPS sensor is a plastic sensor clipped onto the back of the motor with a few small wires. You may need to replace the RPS sensor if it is damaged or not reading the motor string properly. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe as well.